The Celebrate Life Festival gives us a platform where many like-minded people can strengthen each other in finding their way of relating to and dealing with the current world situation. We will have lots of exercises, we will have group processes, we will have contemplation time for everybody on his or her own, we will have meditations, we will have artistic contributions. So there's a whole variety of events and activities that compose, in a way, a whole experience. And I believe the Celebrate Life Festival is a very powerful resonance body for the exploration of various topics, and this year it's basically our roots. I often say integrated history is presence, and unintegrated history is the past. So when we find out what's actually the unintegrated part and the unintegrated past in our ancestral line, we actually generate more presence for ourselves and for the ways how we approach our current challenges. And that's why healing our roots is basically healing our connection to the ground, our connection to the planet, our connection to the wisdom of our ancestors. And so we want to harvest the fruits of our ancestors because that's living wisdom. That's alive wisdom. That's life's wisdom, because thousands of years people experienced life and they got hurt and they got healed and they found stuff out and they were innovative and they brought forth new solutions. So there's a lot of resilience. So our ancestors are the ground, the fertile ground for our life to really flourish. And I think that's exactly what we need right now in the world, like a deeper connection to the earth, a healing of a fundamental sense of separation, and a more open space for innovative ideas in order to bring about cultural change. The atmosphere of the festival, the climate, the shared space is, I think, what makes the festival special. It's that there is a space of acceptance, there's a space of really listening to each other, valuing each other and respecting each other's process. I often say healing is often creating the right environment. So I think the Celebrate Life Festival is an environment for healing and human restoration. Often a very deep experience, especially for people that came new to the Celebrate Life Festival. When they walked away, they were enriched with a very deep and new experience.